In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear Google search and browser history on an Android smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Chrome web browser. Once it is done, tap right here at these three dots and then select History. That will show you both of your search and browser history, and then if you would like to delete from here some particular item, all you have to do is just tap at that X icon next to it and it will be immediately deleted from your history. However, if you would like to delete some particular data, or if you would like to clear all the history for a certain period of time, you need to tap at Clear Browsing Data here. First off, you need to select the data you would like to clear, such as browsing history, cookies and site data, caching images and files, and some other options. Once you've done that, hit right here where it says all time, and that's where we can select the period of time for which we would like to clear the elements we've selected. I'm gonna select last 15 minutes, however you can select last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. And then to continue, just tap at Clear Data and all the selected data for a certain period of time will be cleared. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.